and welcome to this in-depth tutorial on AIOps Tools and Platforms. In today's digital world, IT operations are more complex than ever. With the growing scale of cloud environments, containerized applications, and distributed systems, traditional monitoring and troubleshooting methods no longer suffice. In this tutorial, we'll explore some of the leading AIOps platforms, learn how to set up an AIOps environment, integrate AIOps with existing IT infrastructure, and connect it to modern monitoring tools and cloud services. By the end of this session, you'll have a solid understanding of how AIOps can transform your IT operations. Let's get started. AIOps, short for Artificial Intelligence for IT Operations, is a framework that automates and enhances IT operations through AI-driven analytics. It helps organizations process massive amounts of data from different sources, logs, metrics, events, and traces, while automatically identifying patterns, anomalies, and root causes of issues. Key benefits of AIOps includes 1. Noise reduction, filters out irrelevant alerts and focuses on real incidents. 2. Anomaly detection, uses machine learning to identify unusual system behaviors. 3. Predictive analytics, helps prevent outages before they happen. 4. Automated incident response, resolves issues without human intervention. 5. Integration with ITSM tools, works seamlessly with ServiceNow, Jira, and other IT management tools. Now, let's look at some of the most widely used AIOps platforms. There are several AIOps tools available, but some of the most popular ones include Moogsoft, specializes in event correlation and noise reduction, ensuring that only actionable alerts reach IT teams. Splunk, a powerful log analysis and AI-driven observability platform. Big Panda, focuses on incident automation, helping teams prioritize and resolve critical issues faster. Datadog, a comprehensive monitoring and analytics platform with AI-powered alerting and anomaly detection. Each of these tools has unique features, and choosing the right one depends on your organization's specific needs. Setting up an AIOps environment involves several steps. 1. Data collection, ingest logs, metrics, events, and traces from various sources. 2. Data normalization, structure and format data for efficient processing. 3. Anomaly detection models, train AI models to recognize normal versus abnormal patterns. 4. Incident correlation, use machine learning to identify relationships between different events. 5. Automation and remediation, define automated workflows for issue resolution. Once the environment is set up, the next step is integrating AIOps with existing IT infrastructure. AIOps platforms must integrate seamlessly with an organization's IT ecosystem. The key integration points include on-premises and cloud infrastructure, ensure compatibility with hybrid environments. APIs and webhooks, connect AIOps tools with monitoring, logging, and incident management platforms. Configuration management tools, integrate with Ansible, Terraform, or Puppet for automation. Puppet for automation. Now, let's talk about integrating AIOps with monitoring and logging tools. AIOps relies on monitoring and logging tools to collect and process data. Here's how some popular tools integrate with AIOps. Prometheus provides real-time metric collection and alerting. Grafana visualizes performance trends and anomalies. ELK Stack, Elasticsearch, Logstash, Kibana, collects and analyzes logs from different sources. AIOps platforms ingest data from these tools to enhance insights and automate responses. Cloud environments and container orchestration platforms generate massive amounts of data. AIOps helps manage this complexity by monitoring Kubernetes clusters, detecting failed pods, CPU spikes, and network latency, analyzing Docker logs, security vulnerability and identifying misconfigurations, scaling resources automatically, adjusting container resources based on demand. With cloud-native applications, AIOps becomes a crucial tool for maintaining system health. Many enterprises operate in hybrid cloud setups, combining on-premises infrastructure with cloud services. AIOps can unify observability across environments, provide a single-pane view of system health, reduce alert fatigue, prioritize incidents based on business impact, automate multi-cloud management, adjust workloads dynamically across different cloud providers. By leveraging AIOps, IT teams can ensure seamless performance across diverse environments. Let's quickly recap what we covered in this tutorial. We started with an overview of AIOps, understanding its role in modern IT operations. We explored leading AIOps platforms such as Moogsoft, Splunk, Big Panda, and Datadog. We learned how to set up an AIOps environment, including data collection, anomaly detection, and automation. We discussed how AIOps integrates with existing IT infrastructure and monitoring tools like Prometheus, Grafana, and ELK Stack. We saw how AIOps connects to cloud services and container orchestration platforms like Kubernetes and Docker. Finally, we covered how AIOps supports hybrid cloud environments, providing unified observability and automated incident response. With AIOps, IT teams can move from reactive to proactive operations, improving system reliability, reducing downtime, and optimizing performance. Before you go, take your learning to the next level. Click the link in the description to access this lesson inside the MotivaLogic Academy Learning Management System. There, you'll find a quiz for every lesson, hands-on labs, and real-world projects designed to test and strengthen your understanding. While you're there, explore our full catalog of advanced, hands-on courses and downloadable resources, all created to help you move from theory to real-world expertise faster. Ready to gain real industry experience? Work on practical projects, collaborate with other professionals, and build a strong GitHub portfolio that sets you apart and accelerates your career. Click the work experience link in the description below to register your interest. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And turn on notifications so you never miss a future lesson. Thank you for watching.